welcome to Knoxville Personal Training. I'm Roxy Marmaduke. Like us on Facebook at Knoxville Personal Training. Check out knoxvillepersonaltraining.com for more information. I'm going to show you how to do inverted hamstring with a bicep curl. This is great for balance and great for the biceps. So starting with your right leg, taking it back, left leg stays nice and still on the ground. Come up, foot is off the mat or off the ground. Bicep curl, take it back again. Stand back up, bicep curl. So you want to try to not have the right foot come to the floor. If you're super wobbly or super not balanced, it's totally fine to rest it and then start again. But your ultimate goal is to keep the leg straight back. You'll want to do 15 times each side. Do up to 3 sets. My weight here is 6-pound dumbbells. Make sure to keep the back nice and straight. And make sure to switch sides. So you would do the right leg on the ground, left leg goes up, come up, bicep curl, body nice and tall, nice and straight, and you'll do it again. This one's great for balance, great for the hips, great for those biceps, great for the core, just a great overall workout. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Roxy Marmaduke with Knoxville Personal Training.